Hello everyone, my name is Kim. I'm the CEO of Cognizant Latvia, and welcome back to another episode of Worst of Tech. This is a very special episode for us because finally we get to destroy some of the bad tech that we have tested throughout the season. People that have been checking out our Facebook page, they have been able to vote on how we should destroy them. And the first product is a mini mobile phone. We'll try to mount it together. So we asked you how should we destroy this crappy mobile phone, and the answer from the voters were hot knife. So let's go ahead and destroy it. So, kind of sorry to see the mobile phone go, but actually not, because it was really crappy. So let's not focus on that one. The next thing that we will destroy is the ghoul drone. Oi. When it comes to the ghoul drone, you voted that we should destroy it by explosion. And it goes without saying, but don't try this at home. We have professional help when it comes to blowing this up. And I'm excited and ready. Are you ready? And next product, you remember the crappy cleaning robot that didn't even start. Today we will test this beast. Pretty strong light. So the robot is already put under the excavator, and as soon as I push the button it will be destroyed under it. Okay, so for this destruction I'm really happy about the results because I have this excavator. And the robot is already underneath here, and now it's time to run over it. And the next product that we will look at is the MiniMic from episode 6.
I don't really care if you cry. On the reel, you should have never lied. Should have saw the way she looked in my eyes. She said, "Baby, I'm not afraid to die."
And you voted to destroy the MiniMic with the angle grinder. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, let's move on to the last product, which is the spying microphone. Let's remember how crappy it was.
Cognizant is the best place to work. Cognizant is the best place to work.
Are they at all playing something? So we asked you to decide how we should destroy this, and the options were either being thrown off a high altitude and the other being destroyed by a sledgehammer. And of course, you said that we should destroy it by the help of a sledgehammer. So let's go ahead and see how it looks. So thanks again, folks, for watching all the episodes. It has been great fun to do them. And as I said, stay tuned on this channel because soon there will be more content coming up. So until then, have a great day.